If y is equal to a times x to the power n, then the gradient function dy dx is a times n times x to the n minus 1. So we're going to use this in various situations. If y is equal to x cubed, dy dx is going to be, bring the 3 down in front and multiply by the 1 that's in front, and then drop the power by 1. For 4x to the power 5, dy dx is equal to 5 times 4, which is 20, and then we drop the power by 1. And for 4x to the power half, we drop the half down in front, multiplying the 4, giving us 2, and then again reduce the power by 1. So a half take away 1 is minus a half.